Hi guys, welcome back to another video with the Rusty Blades YouTube Barber. We've got Kieran in the chair today. He's having a number 3 on top and a bald fade round the sides with the skin. We're using the Babyliss Gold FX1 clipper. This is with the removable battery. So the first things first, we're just going to take it down to number 3 all over, and then we're going to eventually put in the skin line. I'd like to give Williamsport Bowman Barber Supply a massive shout out. Without those, these videos wouldn't be possible. If you head over to the website, use code Rusty10, that'll save you 10%. So I'll leave the link down below, so go check that out. Happy savings. So we're moving on to the skin line now. I'm using the Stylecraft saber to do this. Just going to work from one side to the other. What I normally do is work around to the back of the head where the occipital bone is, stop there and move around to the other side and join the two up. It just makes it a little bit easier so you get a more consistent line all the way around. Now we're just going to set in our first guideline. So this is the open taper. So as you can see there, the lever is all the way open just to set in our first guideline. So I've just put the diagram here. This is the way that I work. So I've put the open taper in, and now what I'm going to do is just work down through the lever, each time just staying a little bit lower until I get to the bottom. And this is how I actually work my fades, and I do this with the half guard, the 1 guard, and then I do play about with the lever from the 1.5 guard upwards. Right, so I'm going to stop talking now. I'm just going to let you watch the rest of the cut, and I'll catch up with you at the end of the video. just going to get the sabre and we're just going to go around the front of his hair. There was just a few little loose stragglers. We're just going to get rid of those. We're not going to give him a super sharp line up. That just isn't how he likes it. And yeah, so that's pretty much the end of the video. If you've enjoyed this, remember to get down in comments down below, let me know what you think. Is there anything that you guys do different? And if there is, let me know what it is. I'm always open for learning new techniques to try and bring my cuts on as good as they can be. The key about barbering is you can never stop learning. There's always new techniques that you can use to improve, and I'm well open for that. Now it's time just to grab the sabre, just go around his neckline at the bottom, make sure we haven't missed any long hairs. Make it look as clean as possible. Now we're just going to finish off. We've just got the Gamma Nano Mister, and we're just going to go around the back of his neck and the back of his head and just give it a spray. It's just got a bit of alcohol in there mixed with water, and it just gives a really nice fresh smell at the end of the cut, and it just makes the client feel a lot fresher at the end of the cut, and it just shows that you actually care. It's all these little touches, what you do, and it makes a massive difference. So that's the cut. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, get down in the comments, smash that like, maybe drop me a subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.